Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Life is a challenge. Meet it. Sai is there with you. Fight over the situation. You will be ultimately crowned with success. Sai says, don't think that I won't fulfill your wish. I will. Delay is happening because I want to increase your faith in me. I want you to feel my presence. Have faith. Your Sai is with you. In today's video, we'll continue the story of Kakaji Vaidya and we'll be seeing how and with whom he reached Shirdi and took Baba's darshan. When Kakaji was thinking about his intended visit to Shirdi, a guest came to him at this place to take him to Shirdi. He was no other than Shama, a very close and intimate devotee of Baba. How he came to Vani at this juncture, we shall just see. Shama was severely ill when he was very young, and his mother had taken a vow to her family goddesses Saptashringi at Vani that if her son got well, she would bring and dedicate him at her feet. Then after some years, the mother herself suffered much from ringworms on her breasts. At that time, she again took another vow to her deity that if she got all right, she would offer her 2 silver breasts. These 2 vows remained unfulfilled. At her deathbed, she called her son Shama and drew his attention to the vows, and after taking a promise from him that he would fulfill them, she breathed her last. After some time, Shama forgot about these vows and 30 years elapsed. About this time, a famous astrologer had come to Shirdi and stayed there for a month. His prediction in the case of Shriman Bhoti and others came true, and everybody was satisfied. Shama's younger brother, Bapaji, consulted him and was told about his mother's vows which his elder brother had promised to fulfill at her deathbed and not yet fulfilled. Hence, the goddesses was displeased with them and that was bringing troubles on them. Bapaji told this to his brother Shama, who was then reminded of the unfulfilled vows. On thinking that any further delay would be dangerous, he called a goldsmith and got a pair of silver breasts prepared. Then he went to the masjid, prostrated himself before Baba and placed before him the 2 silver breasts, requested him to accept them and free him from the vows. As to him, he was his Saptashringi goddesses. Then Baba insisted upon him to go himself to the temple of Saptashringi and offer them at the feet of the goddesses. Thus, after taking Baba's permission, he left for Vani. And while searching for the priest, reached Kakaji's house. Kakaji was then very anxious to visit Baba, and Shama went there to see him at that very time. What a wonderful coincidence was this! Kakaji asked him who he was and whence did he come, and on learning that he came from Shirdi, he at once embraced him, so overwhelmed was he with love. After finishing the rites of Shama's vows, they both started for Shirdi. On reaching the place, Kakaji went to the masjid and fell at Baba's feet. His eyes were soon bedewed with tears and his mind attained calmness. According to the vision of the goddesses, no sooner did he see Baba than his mind lost all its restlessness and became calm and composed. Kakaji began to think in his mind, what a wonderful power is this? Baba spoke nothing, there was no question and answer. The mere darshan itself was so conducive to happiness. He surrendered completely to Baba, forgot his anxiety and care and got undiluted happiness. He lived happily there for 12 days and after taking Baba's leave, Udi and blessings returned home. He who invites anybody for a visit also arranges everything for his reception. Bow to Sri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, do like and share. Thank you.